So here's the bike that I made. The frame I made is a frame that I made in 8th grade, just as a little project. It's really strong. I've ridden a few times with it, but I put this chainsaw engine on it with a propeller. I was just running it. Right now, here's the throttle cable. Oops, it's falling. Throttle cable. Well, right now it's not connected to anything. I'm just pulling it for a throttle, but it'll eventually go up to this. This is a brake. Actually, it doesn't look very much like a brake, but it goes right down there. Hillbilly, but it works really good actually. So yeah, I guess I'll run it. So yeah, I'm running it a little rich on accident, or lean, I actually think. Unfortunately, the fuel mixture with the oil. I have it for my outboard engine over there, and it's just a little bit off, so it doesn't run great, but hey, it works. So right now for the testing, I'm just gonna use it like this, so yeah, it's gonna be really fun, and yeah.